Alrighty, well, welcome to Ellis Mowers. We're going to do a non-gas powered push mower today. Every once in a while in my little lots of customer return mowers I get a real mower from Walmart. This is a Sunjo 18-inch manual. Looks like the MJ501M is the model number. Weirdly enough, it has a thing on it that says lithium batteries. This thing has no lithium batteries on it. And it says it does not work. It was returned 6/29 of 19. 77 bucks. So this is only gonna be like a $50 mower here. But here it is. I even got the bag with it. It's kind of nice. It's complete. Cool. Let me set y'all down. We'll unbox this thing. See what we have here. All right. And the blades aren't turning on it, I don't think, as you can hear. They're binding up right down here on the bottom. Even got the owner's manual with it still. Whew. That's a nasty sound. Got all the mountain hardware with it too, it looks like. Looks like it goes this way. Whew. All I have to do is, I don't know if y'all can see that. Looks like I just have to loosen these two Allen bolts a little bit. That should solve the issue with that. Hopefully. Let me find the right Allen. Not that big. That's it. Loosen that just a smidge. I think this is kind of like a blade adjustment. There we go. You see that free up right there? You want to get it kind of close, but you don't want it to where it was rubbing like it was. So turn it over. Checking my clearances to make sure they're good. They look good. So now, how do we do this? Some assembly required, right? This little trapezoidal looking item here. It's tension spring fed. So again, the reason why this was returned, it said it does not work, was because all they had to do was take them two Allen keys right there, turn them out about 2 or 3 turns, and that would have prevented the binding up. Look at that. Now I have a perfectly good push mower. I got a bag with it and everything. Next, let's see. Well, of course, I only have 3 of these. Next, we'll pop on these handles. Thinking we'll have to find some bolts, guys. Yep. Darn. So what the handles are going to do, you pop these on like this, and then you just screw them in there. And that'll do what it needs to do. I've got to find the hardware that'll work with them. I'll be right back. And look at that, y'all. That was easy. I put those handles on like I described you. I found a little bit extra hardware to make it work. The top part of the handle just slides onto those two middle arms, and then you just secure it with the hardware that's provided. I had to improvise a little bit. Again, all I had to do was those little Allen deals on the bottom down there. They started binding up. The bag just hooks in like so. I didn't hook it in all the way right there, but that's what happens. The bag just hooks in. Might not have it completely straight, but there you go. And then it just straps with this little snap on the back, and you just roll on with it. So I'm gonna go out and, hey, why not? Let's ride out here and see what we got going on. I need to just start doing these. This is a lot easier than a gas mower. May not cut too much, but you can't really cut sticks and such with this thing. There you go. How about that? It may not be the best cutting thing in the world, but it cuts. That's kind of cool. Somebody who has a small yard or something like that can use this. Shouldn't have any issues with it. As long as you keep your grass pretty cut, you should be fine. How about that, y'all? Literally took me about 15 minutes to fix this thing. Oops. That's why you don't run over sticks with it. And then, you know, if you wanted to run it without anything on it, you can pull the handle the other way and push it like that. So how about that, guys? Got all these gas lawnmowers sitting around here. I know this is going to be a short video, but a fun little video on how to, I guess, fix and assemble a Sunjoe 18-inch reel push mower. Has the bag with it. I'll list it for 50 bucks. I'll probably get 40 out of it since it's a $77 mower, roughly. I thank y'all for watching. I'll have more gas mower content. I figure this would be a little fun little detour from the norm, so to speak. And a little relief since a lot of my videos are pretty long. So I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all see more gas lawnmowers coming up on future videos and other things like that. But for now, I'm going to go out and cut the bank with this thing. I think it's going to be kind of a little fun cutting the bank with this. And I appreciate y'all watching. I will catch y'all on the next video. And if y'all want to follow me on Instagram and on Facebook, you can find me there at Ellis Mowers 09. I appreciate anybody who feels like subscribing and giving me a follow on all these social media channels, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Catch y'all in the next video.